wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best indoor herb gardens. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. This kit from Living Whole Foods comes with a handsome planter made from reclaimed wood. It'll enhance the decor of any interior space with a vintage feel, from offices to kitchens to dorm rooms. Each one is handmade and unique, which makes it a good gift. It looks great on a windowsill and includes compressed soil discs. However, the seeds often fail to sprout. At number 9, the eye-catching Back to the Roots 32000 is partially a planter for raising fresh greens and veggies indoors and partially a small aquarium suitable for freshwater fish. Neither the produce nor its downstairs neighbor will likely live all that long though. It creates a self-contained ecosystem and is a good classroom teaching tool, but it's very difficult to clean. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The Backyard Cedars kit is a great choice for DIY-oriented families, as it's fun for kids and parents to assemble together. It comes with everything you need to raise up to 3 robust plants and includes seeds for parsley, basil and cilantro. It features fully reusable hardware and a frame available in 3 finishes. However, the jars have no drainage. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Indoor Herb Gardens, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Pathonor Smart System is a great way to raise edible plants in a home that has minimal free space available. It occupies only a few square feet and can be tucked away on a counter, a desktop, or even in a cabinet or closet as needed. It includes an energy-efficient grow light and also works with flowering plants, but it's a bit expensive for its size. Moving up our list to number 6. The miracle-gro aerogarden sprout has been a favorite in many households since it first hit the market years ago. Its hydroponic irrigation system and energy-efficient lighting allow for the robust growth of vegetables, leafy greens and more all year long. It's equipped with a handy reservoir viewing window and offers a quick tool-free setup. However, the aerator is prone to clogging. Halfway up our list at number 5. Bring some chives, basil, parsley and cilantro into your life with the Planter's Choice Growing Kit. A handy illustrated guide walks you through the process step by step, while labeled bamboo stakes will set you straight if you forget which plant is which. It includes a tool for grinding herbs and is good value for the price, but its success rate varies. At number 4, with the Click and Grow Smart 9, it's difficult not to produce rich, lush greens and more right in your own kitchen. Once you've inserted its preloaded seed capsules, simply fill its reservoir with water, connect it to an electrical outlet, and wait for the magic to happen. It holds up to 9 pods and can sprout in as little as 2 weeks. However, some units have faulty LEDs. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The Window Garden Aquaphoric Planter is both a good decoration and a source of fresh produce for cooking or flowers for cutting. These petite containers are modern looking and come in a variety of bright and playful colors to match any home's interior. It's a low maintenance design that's great for those on a budget. An indicator shows when to add water. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Indoor Herb Gardens, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, basic but effective and at a price that almost anyone can get behind, the Mr. Sprout & Co. comes with everything you need to grow some new life in your home. It comes with the supplies for starting 5 new plants, though plenty of extra seeds are included. Handy labels keep things organized, and it includes a money-back guarantee. The seeds are organic and non-GMO. And taking the top spot on our list. While it may be pricey, the aerogrow Bounty delivers a cornucopia to your kitchen, simultaneously enhancing your decor and your cooking. It comes with 9 pots, each of which is pre-packed with seeds that are ready to sprout, in varieties from basil to chives and dill. It features a digital control panel that provides guidance, an extendable lamp arm, and seeds that are guaranteed to germinate. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Indoor Herb Gardens, or simply click beneath this video.